Are you planning to appear for the NTA UGC NET exam? If yes, then you've come to the right place. This video will be your ultimate guide to cracking the NTA UGC NET. Firstly, let's talk about the exam format. The NTA UGC NET exam consists of two papers, Paper 1 being General Aptitude and Paper 2 being your selected subject. To perform well in the exam, you must prepare thoroughly. Start by downloading the syllabus from the official website. Next, get your hands on some good study materials. We suggest you make use of various online and offline resources. There are plenty of apps, blogs, ebooks, and videos that will help you learn. One critical aspect of preparing for NTA UGC NET is time management. You must manage your time well to cover all the topics and to practice enough. Make sure you allocate time wisely for each subject. Another essential tip for preparing for the exam is solving previous year's papers and mock tests. This will help you understand the exam format better, determine the difficulty level, and identify the topics that need more attention. Finally, relax and stay focused. Take regular breaks, go for walks, and practice meditation. It helps to maintain a positive attitude throughout the preparation period. We hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to crack NTA UGC NET. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Good luck with your exam.